are changing the sprockets today and new chain on my 10R. Oh man, it looks so good since I lowered it. That face looks so aggressive. Bolts are out. I forgot to record it. So this is the new one. This is the lightweight version, and this is the old one. See the difference? Even the teeth size, the old one is almost fucked. So old one is gone, new one is in. So there is a trick to install the sprocket, rear sprocket. Always check where your rear tire rotation is there. As you can see, there is a play. So whenever you put in the gear, it's going to move, tuck, and it's going to break the threads. So the rule is always push in the direction. You can see it on the wheel, it's right there. It's going to move like this. So push it like this, don't keep it like this. If you keep it like this, every time you shift it, it's going to move like this. So it's going to break the thread. So don't do that. Just keep it like this and tighten it up. I put a little bit Loctite, very tiny bit. I don't want to put too much. Then it's very difficult to open it. And let's tighten it up. First, let me put the bolts. Always forget to record. So already tied up the sprocket nut. It was 55 Newton meters. So yeah, you have to tighten it. This is the old disc. Take the brake cleaner, clean this baby. Just very thin layer of grease. Now even the brake caliper, this brake pads are not engaged and chain is not on, so it will move at 4 days. 1, 2, 3. Holy crap, man, it's moving like it is. Today, so I didn't record the most of the part. Already cut the chain. This is the left part. Now I'm going to just fit the chain. Sorry, I'm not speaking that much because today I want to go too far right and I'm late already, so I need to be hurry now. So this is chain link. There should be 2 O-rings and like this, and there is a little bit grease, chain grease of course. And for now, don't lose it. So how we are going to do it? Simple, just to put 2 O-rings right here. Another one. Shoot. Very little bit grease right in here and right here. Yeah, keep the chain up, keep it in. Okay, they brought that in. Okay. Then the other 2 O-rings. I'm going to put a lot of grease. Okay, here's the tool. So now we need to press it. It should go like this. Okay, put it behind the tool. So only 17 and we have here. Tie it up slowly, no need to hurry, you're not in hurry. Tie it up slowly. Okay, tie it up slowly. Checking all the holes, everything. Oh. Now they are nice and even. Okay, chain is installed. Chain is installed. The front sprocket is tight and even locked from both sides. So only thing is I'm doing is adjusting the chain. Okay, new chain sprocket is on. Looks good, man. Silver with the black trim, I like it. So I'm going to wash the bike first of all. Sitting for a very long time. Looks so much aggressive now.